Normal curve is a bell-shaped curve. You remember? And it's a symmetric, I mean, it's, and don't mind the diagram here. It's a symmetric curve in the sense, जब दोनों तरफ से आप fold करोगे, equal रहेगा, right? So this line divides it into two halves, okay? And mean, median, mode, तीनों identical रहेंगे. You'll have mean equal to x bar equal to median is equal to mode. Okay, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
And the quartiles जो है ना will be equidistant from the median. So Q3 is equal to, I mean, will be equidistance from Q3. Class, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So, quartile deviation, these figures, if you can remember, please make a note of it, okay? Mean deviation from the distance, okay? From the, I mean, of the distribution will be, mean deviation of any normal distribution will be mean deviation the distribution, okay? In a normal curve, okay, whatever falls in the normal curve is 0.7979 sigma, okay? इसके साथ है 0.7979 sigma, and quartile deviation is quartile deviation of the distribution is 0.6745 sigma, ठीक है? Plus these figures alone you remember, ठीक है? Point of inflection is mu plus sigma. Plus sigma, okay? Point of inflection है ना, इसे कहते हैं, right? Point where it turns, okay? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's a bell-shaped curve, ठीक है? Remember this also. Position and the shape of the curve. Position and the shape of the curve will depend on mean, standard deviation, and number of observations, right? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Mu, sigma, and n. And area under normal curve is given as, do you remember that? Area under normal curve. Can I write it here? Area under the normal curve is X bar minus sample minus population mean. Sample mean minus population mean by population standard deviation. ठीक है? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now, this is normal area under. Certain things you remember even when it is hypothesis testing, काम आएगा आपको. Okay. Mu is for population mean. Okay. Population mean. Okay. Are you following? X bar sample mean. Sigma population standard deviation. Okay. And then SD sample standard deviation. I'll tell you what these are. Just remember this, okay? May not be for this internals, but see, whenever we say population mean, the symbol we use is mu. Okay? And then whenever you use sample mean, the symbol used is X bar. How do you say, like, for example, I say, how do I know if these students are from Somaya, right? See, Somaya is the population. Those 10 or 100 students that I have drawn out, what traits are so common that they all belong to Somaya? समझ में आ रहा है class? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts? Like, for example, I say, on an average, students from Somaya study for about 10 hours a day, at least 10 hours a day. Okay. And how do I know the say the 100 students that I have, I am observing or I am going to research on is from Somaya? समझ में आ रहा है? Population क्या था? On an average, they had studied say 10 hours a day. Okay. Now these students have drawn study for about 10.18. So prove that these are from Somaya. समझ में आ रहा है class? Any doubts here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now whatever symbol we use, mu population mean, X bar sample mean. Sigma is for population standard deviation and SD we use for sample standard deviation. समझ में आया? These are the symbols we use generally. Any doubts so far? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So is the revision helping you in understanding it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for today we'll wind up. We will catch up again tomorrow. Okay. Normal,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
normal distribution problems कल करेंगे. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.